Hello friends, and welcome to another beautiful but very hot day in Sophia Kamal's kitchen. Today it is really hot. It is 32 degrees inside my house and 31 degrees outside. And that is because I cooked breakfast and I tried boiling my goat meat for my dinner, thinking I'm cooking early so that it's not too hot. But the heat caught up with us, so I have to go outside, set my Coleman's stove, which I have had it for 5 years, never been used, brand new. So I am going to set this outside on my patio and cook. So let's go outside and set this up. Okay, now we are ready to open and see how we can fix this to operate. I have my helper here and let's get going. So what is that you are holding there?
This could be the griddle.
Okay, yes, that's the griddle.
Yeah.
That's the griddle that you can make bacon, hamburgers, waffles, anything. It's big. It's nice. Yeah.
Yes, open it up.
First of all, I think the button, this one is a lock.
Yeah, this is the lock.
Yeah, and then you push in and it opens.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then I think the box inside was preventing
Okay,
it.
the box is kind of preventing.
Okay, now open it. Okay,
So we have that.
there it is.
So these ones, I think let's open them up.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see what that does. So
Mm-hmm.
it tells me. Okay, first
What
of
does
all,
it tell you?
Let's see. I'm just looking at that picture there to see how this whole thing is set up.
Okay.
This one seems to be the drain.
Yeah, for oil.
This is for the oil.
While
So
cooking
oil,
bacon or
look,
anything, hamburgers.
those three holes on these particular dowels, they
Yeah.
kind of all line up.
Oh, there's holes there.
And,
Let me see. I didn't see
So
first.
it locks it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
And that can be either side.
Either side has the same.
On that,
Okay,
so you can
perfect.
have it on either side.
Yeah.
So,
So
we do that.
once you put it there, it locks and it will not
This is
slide.
here. Okay, that's just the manual. Okay, the operation manual. Set up on the operation manual. Anyway,
The picture can tell it all.
yeah, you can
Yeah.
see. Okay, so that means there are two.
I'm losing focus. Okay, there.
There's,
Yes.
There's two uses for these shields.
Yeah.
They're used for blocking the wind,
Uh-huh.
and also when you're using the griddle, I think they're used to kind of serve as the tray.
As the tray.
Yeah,
Okay.
which is kind of. Let's try this. Let's try to see how this whole thing works. So lay it out.
Oh,
So that's the
perfect.
griddle.
And it has a spout too that can
Yeah.
drain the
so
oil.
the oil just drained over that end.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one, I think we do not use pots, pans, ovens. Okay,
Yeah.
I think we should be good. This
Yeah.
we don't need it
That's
anymore.
just instructions.
It's just an instruction
Okay.
and about the warranty. So anyway, so we know what that does.
Yeah.
And the same thing, you can flip it around.
Or if the drain,
Yeah, you can
You are
flip
putting
it
it
around and
over
the
there.
drain can be on the other side.
left
as well.
hand, right hand, so
Yeah.
either
so
way.
it's really good for camping.
yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's kind of the main reason we got it. Yeah, just to help us with camping.
How many years? I was saying 5 years. We had it 5 years.
Mm,
Time flies. Remember before we went to...
yeah, it's COVID. COVID just threw things off a little bit, and since then,
We haven't.
everything-
It's been there 5
everything
years.
is just a bit
Yeah.
off. So anyway, so
Okay.
now
What next?
we know what these ones do.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's look at what else. Okay, so everything else is set up. It's an easy setup, very easy setup. So we can lift these ones up.
Let me... Okay, you
Yeah, it
locked
just
over
locks
there.
That's
Perfect.
for the wind.
And that one locks there
Yeah,
too.
so now we're set.
I
Now-
might need that because it's a little windy today.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now this is the one that just connect to the cylinder.
Yeah.
For the
Okay,
gas, yeah.
let's see.
So yes, it's a very, very easy setup normally.
Let me come over there.
Yeah, because look at
Oh,
all,
okay.
all you do is to line it up.
Yeah,
You just line it up with the hole,
yeah.
and then just screw it.
Screw it up.
Yeah. It's just that simple. That's how simple it is to do that. Gas cylinders, we're going with the portable cylinders because this is mainly for camping outdoors. So, and it's just simple. All it is, you want to move the carb, it's just all threads.
I think the other one the boys were
So you
using
can see
one time.
that's the new one, and it's all threaded. So they're all the
perfect.
same. They're
Yeah.
identical.
Yeah.
You can see the threads.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're all the same, right? So you just kind of do that.
Let's start with this one
So
and finish
there
it
is some
first.
that are still left here, so we're just going to do that, and we just kind of screw it in.
Very simple. I was worried to do it alone, but now I see next
It's
time.
very simple.
Yeah, next time
It's
I
very
can
simple,
do it.
and yeah, it's set up now.
It's set up,
It's
all
set
set
up,
up. Let's try and light the fire and see. I'll take this away.
Okay,
So
the
which
bottom-
burner? Okay, first of all, I will see there's a middle burner here, and I saw in the picture it was showing that if you only have these two burners, the griddle will be firing only end to end, end and end. The middle will have no fire. So this is a burner. In case you are using the griddle, it's all hot. The whole plate will be hot. So right now, let's try one stove because
Okay,
that's
let's
what
see.
I'll be cooking with. So which one?
Okay.
Oh, that end is for end. This one is for the middle,
will be
I
the
guess.
middle, yeah.
And then this for the other burner.
The other burner.
What is the red instant start? Oh, can we try the instant start? What does it do?
No idea.
Okay, try the fire. Let's not.
Let's do what we
yeah,
normally
do what we just do. Oh, I can. That
One sec.
lighter. Ooh.
And there it is. You have your fire.
Yeah, the fire is on. I
Yeah.
can see it.
Yeah, it's
La,
there.
I'm gonna cook. Yeah.
there, yeah.
You can't. It's white fire.
Yeah.
My
I'm
goodness.
gonna turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off. See, it's gone.
Yeah.
So that's easy. As you
It's a-
can see, it's a beautiful setup, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna cook under the shed. Thank you to my helper.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you, mister.
There you go.
Yes, and it's all set up and I'm ready to cook. Everything is ready for my pilau. My onions before they burn. I'm cooking with that. All the ingredients are here. I have garlic, I have ginger, oil, goat meat, salt, cumin seeds, and pilau masala, my rice, my hot water, my measuring cup. So it's about time for me now to add the other ingredients. My pilau is cooking, is coming up well, and today I'm going to make a mix of the goat meat and peas and carrot. So I'm gonna add all of it together, and that's will be a delicious dinner. My pilau now, I'm waiting for it to dry, and I have goat meat, peas and carrot pilau, and that is delicious.